Let's talk about the forecast because, Michael, this is not even dealing with road conditions just yet this morning.
Yes, that's right. Some of us are actually starting to see some showers passing through our areas. So, again, you topple some wet roadways on top of that. On top of those delays, again, that could cause some problems. It's a first alert weather day here in DFW due to the threat of severe thunderstorms that could build in later on this afternoon. But for this morning, we're seeing mainly some light rain. 40% chance of scattered showers as we move throughout the day for today and scattered storms. We get a break by Thursday and Friday. Rain chances back up to 50% by Saturday. Then you could see as we move ahead into next week, our shower and thunderstorm chances return as we move ahead into next Tuesday and then by next Thursday and next Friday as well. As we take a look outside this morning in East Fort Worth, you can see the raindrops onto the webcam. We're seeing mainly light rain and some areas of drizzle, but still, you'll probably still need to use your windshield wipers this morning, and you most likely will see some wet roadways during your morning commute. Let's talk about the severe weather threat for today. Level 2 risk, and this does include Denton and Collin counties. Level 1 risk for Dallas, Fort Worth, and areas out to the south. What you need to take away from this map, this area that's shaded in yellow has the best chance to see strong to severe storms later today, lesser of a chance for areas out to the south. It's similar to what we've been seeing. We have an upper level low into the Midwest, and we have this dry line set up out to the west. You see the dry line, you may be thinking, what is this? Well, out to the west, you have drier air. Out to the east, you'll get that warm, moist, humid air building in, and right along that dry line, you get the lift, and you get the chance for strong to severe storms develop. Now, we see a lot of cloud cover throughout the day for today, so we need to see some sunshine to destabilize things and break the cap and get things going. So that'll be a conditional threat for later on today. Our Futurecast, our high resolution model, already doing a good job at picking up the shower activity for this morning. Expect to see some light rain during your morning commute. You might want to grab the umbrella on your way out the door. By the second half of the day for today, watch what happens after about 3, 4, 5 o'clock. With that peak daytime heating, we're seeing these isolated to scattered thunderstorms develop. These are the ones that could certainly pack a punch and be on the severe side, even southeast of DFW. Those will continue into this evening. Then we'll lose that daytime heating. We lose that fuel, and we will start to dry out overnight. Looking ahead to late Friday into Saturday, we'll have our next chance for rain to build in, all part of a cold front. As that pushes in from the north, we could see a few strong to severe storms develop, although most of our area under a very isolated chance of that. That cold front builds in by Saturday morning, bringing us scattered showers, a gloomy day as we move to start the weekend. Saturday will be your day if you want to sit inside and stay inside, maybe sleep in a little bit because it'll be a wet start to the day. Second half of Saturday, things start to dry out. Here Sunday morning at 7 o'clock, we're waking up to a lot of clouds. And as we move throughout the day on Sunday, we will be in and out of clouds. But Sunday will certainly be a drier day. It'll be the day to get outside, but it will be a cool start in the morning. We're not expecting a whole ton of rain over the next 7 days, especially with that cold front. It'll be a quick moving cold front, so it's not going to have the opportunity to drop a lot of rain, but a quarter of an inch to as much as an inch will be expected area wide. But for Sunday, I want to talk about these temperatures. It'll be one of our coldest mornings we've seen, at least for about the last week or two, I'd say. This morning, we're into the 70s. By Sunday morning, temperatures for some locations will be about 30 degrees colder. 41 in Bowie Sunday morning, 43 in Gainesville. Wouldn't be surprised if a few areas dip down into the upper 30s, but for the Metroplex Sunday morning, we'll be into the 40s to the 50-degree mark. Now, as we move ahead, you will start to see again our rain chances go away for your Thursday and Friday on your first alert 7-day forecast. 88 on Thursday, 84 on Friday. We're watching Saturday as we could see some disruptive rain early, but then we see temperatures fall back down into the 60s and 70s by early next week.